Plug in the power cord, turn on the machine, and the machine automatically performs Z-axis homing. Make sure the Z-axis rises to the highest point. Take out the laser module. Install the dust plug of the field lens entrance and the laser module cover. Turn off the machine and unplug the power supply. Unscrew the two rings of the carbon dioxide fire extinguishing interface and display interface. Unscrew the 11 screws, fixing the rear shell. Take down the rear shell. Unplug the emergency stop switch, power switch, and USB adapter board terminals on both sides in sequence. Unscrew the 6 screws, fixing the fan baffle assembly. Move the fan baffle assembly forward. Unplug the Z-axis motor wire. Unscrew these 2 screws. Unscrew these 4 screws. Unscrew this screw. Move the fan baffle inward and use a fixed object to prop up the upper field lens support plate. Take off the Z-axis motor. Remove the base and nut assembly from the lead screw motor. Replace with a new lead screw motor and install the motor base and nut assembly. Install the Z-axis motor. Remove the supporting object. Move the fan baffle forward. Tighten to fixing screws. Plug in the Z-axis motor wire. Rotate the lead screw upward manually to align the 4 screw holes of the fixed nut assembly. Tighten for fixing screws. Tighten this fixing screw. Install the fan baffle and tighten 6 fixing screws. Reinstall the rear shell and insert the wiring. Tighten the 11 screws, fixing the rear shell. Reinstall the 2 rings of the carbon dioxide fire extinguishing interface and display interface. Remove the dust plug of the field lens entrance and the laser module cover. Install the laser module.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.